heard that there's been an earthquake this morning, so how do you feel about it? I feel great, but oh, oh. Left and right with a bombastic side eye. My baby cousin was eating roll on. No, man. I'm so sorry, but yeah. What happened with your sister and the roll on? We're at the lounge watching TV, and then like 6 in the morning. Gala, the house falling in Luyawa. Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm so sorry.